Hello guys, this is the B1 and once again. Today we are going to talk about the lifestyle of the most famous, greatest footballer of all the time, Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. In this video, we are going to show you the luxuries and collections of the best scorekeeper of all time.
Number 1. Gulfstream twin-engine G200. This was his first private jet. He bought this jet in 2015 at the cost of 20 million euros. It is too fast as it travels 560 miles per hour. It has the capacity of carrying 10 passengers. As well as being roomy, Ronaldo has a wardrobe where he stores his designer clothes. There is a Wi-Fi, a telephone, fax machine, electric oven, microwave, refrigerator, and an entertainment system. Number 2. Gulfstream G650. This is his second private jet. He bought this jet at the cost of 28 million euros. It is too fast as it travels 610 miles per hour. It has the capacity of carrying 18 passengers.
Cristiano Ronaldo's boats. He has Azimuth Grande yacht built in the Vasilia shipyards of Azimuth Bennett. It is 88 feet long and it costs around 5.5 million euros. It has 5 luxury cabins and 6 stunningly decorated bathrooms and modern kitchen on the board, 2 relaxation areas, hang lounge, and lavish dining room. Cristiano Ronaldo also has car collection which is estimated to more than 17 million euros. He has more than 19 exotic luxury cars in his collection. This is McLaren Senna which costs $1 million. This is Rolls-Royce Cullinan of $345,000. Bugatti Chiron $3.2 million. Mercedes GLE 335 AMG Coupe $214,000. Rolls-Royce Phantom $450,000. Lamborghini Aventador $393,000. Ferrari F12 TDF $450,000. The cheapest car among his cars is Mercedes-Benz C220 CDI, while the most expensive one is Bugatti Veyron. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share, and let us know in comments what you would like to see in the next video. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification. See you in the next video.